my bed. Got a funny premonition that tomorrow's gonna be the same. Yeah, but all I remember is how I think I heard you call my name, and your open invitation to come over for a drink or two. Hey, but when you do well, the true intentions of your secret smile, I couldn't stop, I couldn't tell you no. I hate to say I'm giving in to you. I wake up next to you, all went through with it. I fell in love with a fool, and I know I'm not the only one. You nature trap it, it's the obvious. Sometimes a good girl